Good afternoon, folks. This is Black Rod, and we're trying to test the different ammunition and the devastating effect of the one of the powerful handgun today, which is the Magnum 44. So the first try is we're now on the WSA firing range at the moment, and checking for the ammunition. So first is we'll check the devastating effect of the Magnum 44 200 range. So we'll check the ammunition to be fired by the by one of the reliable shooter today, Mr. Alberto Siscar Jr. And he was using the Madtech. And of course, this event is sanctioned by two masters
Philippine Marines Corps,
from the veteran of the Philippine Marines, and now the champion of the several division, which is Mr. Arman Manyak Pabia.
Yes, of course. I'm manyaking of the handgun.
Okay?
Yes.
So we'll shoot from 10-meter range, and we'll check what's the effect of this ammunition. Okay, are you ready, partner?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Ready.
So we're shooting the can. Pick up your target.
Okay. Ready.
Wait. Are you ready?
Ready.
Wait. Okay, brother.
Yes.
Pick up your target.
Okay.
Shoot if you're ready.
Ready.
Fire.
We'll get it. Now, gentlemen, this is the entry, you know. This is the
Yung point of
entry.
exit niya.
Hindi, the place eh.
And the exit was on
The place?
the base. Okay.
Kulong siya.
Sabog.
Balda, minapon.
So, brother, good shot.
Yes.
And how do you find your new gun?
Oh, so very strong.
Very strong.
Yeah.
That's your only backup gun, right? And a pocket gun.
Primary gun and secondary gun.
Master, what can you say about our brother?
It's better, but the bullet can not penetrate, shoot through. Explosion was large damage on the base of the button.
Okay.
But wait for the second chance. That is, I don't think. What is that bullet?